Hey there, West of here. So we've been down this path on purpose. We started out looking at, hey, how as leaders we need to be able to have a clear purpose for ourselves, but we've also got to help our team members understand a purpose that they can really buy into and work toward, both for the organization as well as them individually. We've looked at how that kind of builds. How can we understand it? How can we really dig into that for ourselves? And then we looked at, hey, what's love really got to do with this? How can we really dig into those things that give us the most fulfillment? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get serious about finding that definiteness of purpose that Napoleon Hill talked about in both Think and Grow Rich and Master Key to Riches, gosh, in 1937, I think, to begin with, and then again in 1965 with Master Key to Riches. And we're going to look through some things that I've experienced personally. And I'm going to share some different stories with that. Now, what we're going to do in really digging into the power of a definite purpose, I'm going to talk about how it begins and where that starting point is and where we start to grab onto what really is potentially a definite purpose for us. And we're going to look at how it grows, because I guarantee you what your definite purpose is today won't be the same thing. I'm not saying it's going to change completely. I'm saying it's going to grow. It's going to take more shape, and it's going to get more depth and clarity, and it's going to reach more. At least that's how it's been for me over the last 25 years. And even more specifically in the last 9 or 10, since Cindy and I have been in business together for ourselves, it's grown a lot. But here's the thing. We're also going to look at the significance of the cost that comes with that. And so often people say, hey, why, Wes? Why did you and Cindy choose to do what you do? You had pretty cushy jobs, careers, and corporate roles, and so on and so forth, but you gave a lot of that up and you took some chances and so on. Why did you do it? And if you've got that definite purpose, if you know what that definite purpose is, you'll understand why, and you'll say, it was worth it. And even if it's not financially, I assure you, you'll be able to connect the dots and dig into it. So that's where we're at. Moving forward, what we're going to do is we're really going to put that definite purpose to words for each of us. Yours is going to be different than mine, but we're going to work through that together. And we're going to look at, hey, how can we make sure that we're giving, but we're also getting in the process, and all the things come together soon enough. We're going to tie it back to submission, vision, and how those things, how we can really cast it. Then we'll move over into how it spills over for every single member of our team. Now, one of the things that I reference, if you dig into this completely, is some things that I covered in What's Killing Your Profitability. It all boils down to leadership. There's a link in there for that. But I'd challenge you, if you've never done it, take the assessment on our site that digs into what is that one thing right now that's killing the profitability in your organization. And maybe we can have a conversation, or there's some complementary tools as well that's tied into it, but maybe we can start to work through how can we help you capture that profitability in your organization. And that might be a conversation that we have personally through Zoom, whatever. But either way, I hope this serves you well. Look forward to chatting through it with you. If you've got some questions and whatnot, reach out. But make it a great day, and look forward to seeing you soon on the next one. God bless.